Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to a new video. Today we'll be exploring a commercial non-contact AC voltage detector and then building a simple one ourselves using a minimalistic circuit. To start, here's a commercial non-contact AC voltage detector which is readily available. Its build quality is solid and it has straightforward controls. It is powered by two AAA batteries which provide a total of 3 volts. It features 2 buttons. The red one is for power on or off, while the green one allows us to switch between low and high sensitivity detection modes. It has both visual and audio indicators. The blinking light and beep frequency increases as the AC signal source gets closer. Additionally, it comes with a display showing signal strength bars. At the moment, it's in low sensitivity mode. Switching to high sensitivity, we can see it detects AC voltage from a greater distance. Well, that was impressive, but why not create our own simple AC voltage detector? We'll design a very simple circuit that only includes a visual indicator. It turns out this basic circuit does the job. There are also alternative configurations such as 3 shown here that work just as well. Here is the assembled circuit. The blue wire coiled at the end acts as the antenna detecting the electromagnetic field near AC carrying wires. To power the circuit, I am using two 3-volt coin cells giving a total of 6 volts. I have chosen a self-color changing RGB LED which contains built-in microcontroller to automatically cycle through red, green and blue colors. However, we can also use a regular single color LED. I found that even 3 volt works fine with this circuit, although the LED brightness is a bit dim. If you plan to use a higher voltage, such as a 9 volt battery or a source with more power, be sure to include a resistor in series with the LED. Now, let me secure the batteries with some black electrical tape. Our DIY non-contact AC voltage detector is working perfectly. Next, let me try to fit the entire assembly inside an old highlighter pen. I have wrapped the antenna wire around the back of the pen and secured it with adhesive tape. Not bad, what do you see? Let's put the final product to the test. And yes, it works flawlessly.